PR strength is his lack of weakness. Come and meet your death.
I thought PR was a man until now. I'm coming.
Stop! Don't touch him. He's mine.
I'll kill you 1 second before I die. That's my decision.
Aren't you scared? Huh? You're pointing a gun at PR.
I know that. But the bullets do not. They do not discriminate.
That much of arrogance? I will kill you.
Paresh Rai?
Yes, you are Paresh Rai. Oh Jesus, do you know who you were going to kill? Your son. Yes, Paresh Rai. Satya is your son. Mahati, your wife?
Father?
Yes, my child. Just wait. Look at this.
He killed my mother. He was responsible for her death. He should be killed.
Satya, are you going to kill your own father?
Don't stop me, father. He left my mother alone and ran away. My mother suffered till her death.
No, son.
The person I didn't want to meet for 15 years is now right in front of me.
Listen to me.
I will kill him.
Satya!
You have escaped death.
Unbelievable, PR. Meeting your son like this again after 20 years.
I totally forgot that I had a son. I didn't expect to see him as a killer.
What did God say? Lamb that was lost will come back to its protector. When I was working in Mumbai in a mission hospital, your wife was sick and admitted for treatment there. Satya was a little boy then. She didn't respond to the treatment. She was shattered psychologically. She died in our Premalaya. She gave me this photo before she died and took a promise from me not to reveal to Satya about his father who deserted her. He grew up with the other orphans in the Premalaya. Satya's mission is to help the helpless that are sheltered in the Premalaya. Your son is a great soul, Paresh. He thinks you are responsible for his mother's miserable death. That was the reason he flared upon seeing you. Today is his mother's death anniversary.
My child.
No! Let my mother lie in peace. When she was alive, you left her all alone and went away. Did you ever think of my mother or me even for 1 second?
She refused to stay with me.
No! Don't.
Satya, he's repenting, my child.
No, father. I don't believe his crocodile tears. I had taken money from Das to kill you. Had I known that you were my father, I would have killed you for free! Go. Get lost!
As far as I know, PR had no wife. How can Satya be his son? Or PR might be playing a super trick. Is he trying to kill me? Or will Satya kill me? For hiring him to kill his own father? My God, I don't know how this cinema is going to end.
We are unable to follow your movements. Our necks are paining.
All this is because of the weight on the northeast. Northeast. Because of Vastu, can Satya become PR's son? And if there is weight on southwest, are you going to become my son? Come, dear. I'm so sorry. You lost your mother.
She died 15 years back. Thus, you must be aware of everything by now. I can't kill my father just for money. You can take back your advance.
No. I am not a butcher to tell you to kill your father. That PR has been a rival to me and to my business for past 20 years. I found in you a person capable of killing him. But you happen to be his son. What to do? What to do? He found you his long lost son after 20 years. If I kill you, it's like hitting him. How is that? Wonderful, Das. Hands off, Das. Yeah.
Thus, I have only returned your advance, but the gun and bullets are still with me. Unused. Shall I use them?
Joke. It was just a joke.
I don't joke.
See, his speed. Whose blood is it? PR's, Tiger. What will you do now? Are you going to join your father or stay with me?
I won't join any team. I'll take care of myself. If everyone does the same, it will be good. Hello?
Congrats to PR's only son. You're very lucky.
That is my bad luck. Talking to you is my good luck.
Thank you. The other day, what I wanted to tell you was...
Not on the phone! Where shall we meet?
Same place?
I'll be there.
Good evening and welcome to our news bulletin. Assembly
What a
members of
technology!
because of the
We plant the bomb and see it live on TV.
Prime
You planted the
Minister
bomb correctly,
is planning
huh?
to pass.
Correctly in the center of the jeep.
And
When
have
it explodes, Satya will be
Oh.
blown into pieces.
You wanted to say something?
The other day, what I wanted to tell you was, these days you seem to be very tensed.
No more tension. Tell me quickly, Vara.
I think...
Well, if you're feeling shy, shall we think of a code? 225?
What code is that?
That's it. In English, it's 143. I love you. In our special code, it's 225, right?
That's it. 225.
Look, Satya, how everything is falling into place. Oh my God, did she really say it? Don't talk anymore. Let me enjoy. Confirmed?
Yeah, confirmed.
Sure.
225.
Explosion has been reported.
Mom
in
exploded!
cities. According to police, a lot of people have been injured and 10 people have been reported dead in the explosion. Details of the dead is not known yet. Here is
Who kept the bomb in my Jeep?
No, he is not the man! He is the man! He is the culprit who fixed the bomb! How can I Hey! If you come near, I'll kill her! I will kill her!
Kill her?
Huh?
She is nothing to me.
Stop it! Stop it, I say! Sir, get into the jeep. Keep my mind.
George, what's his background?
He was moving with acid for the past 6 months, sir. Recently joined Das.
Mm-hmm. Hey, what's your name?
Satya.
Satya. Oh, Satya means truthful. Father's name? What's your father's name? Why are you silent, man? What's your father's name?
PR. Father's name is PR. Is that enough?
Sir? Your son?
The Jeep is his.
It was run on gas cylinder. It blew up.
Sir, give them the bail papers.
Sir, you may go.
Father, shall we?
Wait, Satya. Premalya is for orphans, definitely not for children like you who are fathers. Anytime you may be attacked by Das. Satya, PR has immense love for you. Otherwise he would not have come here. Respect my advice and go with him. Come.
Come, Satya.
Welcome! Welcome, Satya. Welcome to your house. PR, Priya and my wife have come.
Small
I
boss,
see.
Seshu's daughter, come from America.
Come. Please come.
Home sweet home. Acid,
Hi.
show him the house.
Ah.
Bharat, Seshu.
Hey, Acid, take good care of him.
Yes. Small boss, in Hong Kong, I had a doubt about you.
Now this house is yours, chair is yours. You become a legal heir to the place where you started as an ordinary worker. It's wonderful, small boss.
Stop blabbering. Show me my room.
Up, small boss.
Stop this small boss business.
Okay, small boss.
Are you going to rape me now?
Have you decided?
Uh-huh.
Are you Priya? You look like your mother.
Will you rape? Only after knowing the details of the person? Daddy! Daddy, psycho! Rapist! Daddy!
That is Satya, PR's son.
Really? While coming out from the airport, some rascal attacked Priya. He saved her.
No, you know him already. He is dynamic. Satya, Priya, my daughter.
She looks like a mother. Confusion is yours.
Good joke.
Okay, I like this room. Shift her to another room.
Room shift. Okay, shift.
Hi, Uncle. Good morning.
Hi, Priya. Good morning. How are you?
I'm very good, Uncle. Congratulations, Uncle. You got your son.
I'm a little worried about Satya. You know, he grew up amongst laborers, very rustic. He needs to be groomed, stylized. Can you help me?
Sure, Uncle. I'll do that. I'll start grooming him. He...
What are you guys doing here, huh?
Such a big house. Look at
Why
this.
have you come here?
Where is Satya?
Hey, he's sleeping inside. What do you want, huh?
From now on, this is our house. Come on, guys. Yay! Come. Let's go.
What's that? You? What are you doing here?
Just observing. Your dad asked me to change your style. I have to change your hair, do facial, change your dressing style. It's bad. Morning jog, squash, fitness, all these are important.
Fitness?
Huh?
I don't think so. Everyone knows I am fit and I always look like a hero. I don't need all this. Please leave me alone. Let me sleep.
I need fitness. Huh?
That's correct. Well said. Have all of you come? Enjoy. The entire house is yours. Hey, what's wrong with her?
Nothing. Satya, Varalakshmi is waiting for you. It's Valentine's Day, you know.
Oh God, why did you tell me earlier?
I have to tell Vara about this Priya girl. Where's your boyfriend? He'll come.
Happy Violence Day.
Violence?
Sorry, what did I say? Greetings on Lover's Day.
Thank you, and same to you. I heard that there's somebody called Priya in your house. Rambo told me. Competition, is it?
What? Competition for you? No.
Those flowers are mine.
Brother, nature belongs to all of us. Don't say that flowers are mine, branches are mine, leaves are mine, trees are mine. It sounds very bad. Seriously.
I kept it there.
Then look there. Why are you troubling us here?
My name will be there. I wrote it. Come on, move. See.
Is it this?
How come this is on my back?
Every time I meet you, something goes wrong. Once it was a fight. Another time a bomb. I'm feeling tensed.
Don't worry. No tension from now on.
Satya?
Oh my God.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. I should have said this earlier itself when I was lying next to you on your bed. But I didn't have flowers then. And later couldn't find you.
Meet Varalakshmi.
Oh, hello. Come, I want to talk to you.
On his bed. Got it, Varalakshmi? He took my flowers and she took the flowers which you gave. We should take care of ourselves outside the sentry problem. If he's a cowboy, I'm a love boy, eh?
Hey Satya, I want to get to know you. Let's go out. Let's start by being friends.
Let's go.
Am I that boring? What happened to you, Satya?
No. Go on.
You are a bore, it seems. But these flowers are mine.
Who cares?